Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned how to create a strong password. Today, we are going to learn about something that is extremely useful for students, professionals, and everyone who uses a computer or smartphone. Cloud storage. What is cloud storage? How does it work? And how do you use Google Drive? Let's learn everything in a very simple and easy way. What is cloud storage? Cloud storage means storing your files, photos, videos, and documents on remote servers on the internet, instead of only on your local device, like your computer or phone. When you save something to cloud storage, it is saved on powerful servers in large data centers located in different parts of the world. You can then access your files from any device anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Simple example. Think of cloud storage like a locker in a bank. Instead of keeping all your valuables and important documents at home, you keep them in a secure bank locker. You can access them anytime you visit the bank from anywhere in the city. Similarly, instead of keeping all your files only on your computer, you keep them in cloud storage and access them from anywhere in the world. Why is cloud storage important? Cloud storage solves several very common problems that computer users face. If your laptop is stolen or your hard disk crashes, all the files saved only on your computer are lost forever. But if your files are in cloud storage, they are completely safe, and you can access them from any other device immediately. Cloud storage allows you to access your files from multiple devices. You can start working on a document on your laptop at home and continue editing it on your phone while traveling. All changes sync automatically. Cloud storage makes sharing files very easy. Instead of sending large files via email, you can simply share a cloud storage link with anyone, and they can access the file instantly. Simple example. Cloud storage is like having your school bag always with you everywhere you go, even when you are not carrying it physically. Your books and notes are always accessible, no matter where you are. How does cloud storage work? When you upload a file to cloud storage, your device sends that file over the internet to a remote server in a data center. The file is stored on that server with multiple backup copies to ensure it is never lost. When you want to access the file from any device, your device connects to the server over the internet and downloads the file to display it. All your files in cloud storage are protected with strong encryption, meaning they are scrambled into unreadable code during transfer and storage, so no one else can access them. Simple example. Uploading to cloud storage is like putting your homework in a secure school locker. Anyone with the right key, your password, can open the locker and access the homework from the school. But the homework is safe inside the locker, and no one else can take it without the key. Popular cloud storage services. There are several popular cloud storage services available today. Google Drive is made by Google and gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage. It works perfectly with Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Photos. It is available on all devices: Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. OneDrive is made by Microsoft and gives you 5 gigabytes of free storage. It is built into Windows 10 and Windows 11 and works perfectly with Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Dropbox is one of the oldest cloud storage services. It gives you 2 gigabytes of free storage. It is very popular among professionals and businesses for file sharing and collaboration. iCloud is made by Apple and gives you 5 gigabytes of free storage. It works best on Apple devices: iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. It automatically backs up your iPhone photos and data. pCloud is a privacy-focused cloud storage service that gives you up to 10 gigabytes of free storage. It stores your files in encrypted form for extra security. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is the most popular cloud storage service in the world, made by Google. It was launched on April 24, 2012. Today, Google Drive has more than 1 billion active users worldwide. With a free Google account, you get 15 gigabytes of free storage on Google Drive. This 15 gigabytes is shared between Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you need more storage, you can upgrade to Google One, Google's paid storage plan, which starts from 100 GB. Google Drive is not just a storage service, it is a complete productivity platform. You can create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly inside Google Drive using Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, all completely free. How to access Google Drive. Accessing Google Drive is very simple. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, the same Gmail account you use for everything else. Google Drive will open and you will see your files and folders. That is all. Your Google Drive is ready to use. You can also access Google Drive on your smartphone by downloading the Google Drive app from the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. How to upload files to Google Drive. Uploading files to Google Drive is very easy. Go to drive.google.com and sign in. Click the New button on the left side. A menu will appear with options. Click File Upload to upload a single file, or click Folder Upload to upload an entire folder. Select the file or folder from your computer and click Open. The file will start uploading to Google Drive. When the upload is complete, you will see a notification at the bottom of the screen. You can also upload files by simply dragging them from your computer and dropping them directly into the Google Drive window in your browser. Simple example. Uploading to Google Drive is like placing a document in a secure online filing cabinet. Once it is uploaded, it is safe, accessible from anywhere, and you can share it with anyone instantly. How to create folders in Google Drive. Keeping your Google Drive organized with folders is very important. To create a new folder, click the New button, and then click New Folder. Type the folder name and click Create. You can create folders for different topics, like study, work, photos, and videos to keep everything organized. How to share files from Google Drive. One of the best features of Google Drive is easy file sharing. Right-click on any file or folder in Google Drive. Click Share. A sharing window will appear. You can share in two ways. The first way is to share with specific people. Type the email address of the person you want to share with. Choose their permission level. Viewer means they can only view, commenter means they can add comments, editor means they can edit the file. Then click Send. The second way is to create a shareable link. Click on Change to anyone with the link. Choose the permission level. Then click Copy Link. Share this link with anyone, and they can access the file instantly without needing a Google account. Simple example. Sharing from Google Drive is like giving someone a key to your locker. You choose exactly what level of access they have. Viewer gets a read-only key, editor gets a full access key. How to use Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Inside Google Drive, you can create and edit documents completely free without installing any software. Google Docs is like Microsoft Word for typing documents, assignments, and reports. Google Sheets is like Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets, calculations, and data. Google Slides is like Microsoft PowerPoint for creating presentations. To create a new document, click the New button in Google Drive, then click Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. A new file will open directly in your browser. Start typing, and your work is saved automatically in real time. You never need to press Ctrl+S to save, because Google saves everything automatically. Multiple people can work on the same Google Docs file at the same time, from different locations. This is called real-time collaboration, and it is one of the most powerful features of Google Drive. Google Drive on your computer, desktop app. You can also install the Google Drive desktop app on your Windows computer. Download it from drive.google.com and install it. After installation, a Google Drive folder will appear on your computer just like any normal folder. Any file you put in this folder automatically uploads to Google Drive. Any changes you make sync automatically. This way you can use Google Drive just like a normal folder on your computer without opening the browser every time. How to free up space on Google Drive. If your 15 GB free storage is running low, here are some tips to free up space. Empty your Gmail trash and spam folders, as these take up drive storage. Delete large files and videos you no longer need. Use Google Photos and Storage Saver quality instead of original quality. This compresses photos and uses less storage. Delete old files in Google Drive trash. Deleted files stay in trash for 30 days and still count toward your storage until the trash is emptied. Interesting facts about Google Drive. Google Drive was launched on April 24, 2012. Before Google Drive, people had to email files to themselves to transfer between devices. Google Drive stores files in multiple data centers around the world to ensure your files are never lost. Google processes more than 2 trillion files stored on Google Drive. Google Docs was the first major online word processor that allowed real-time collaboration between multiple users. So now you know everything about cloud storage and Google Drive, what they are, how they work, how to upload and share files, and how to use Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Google Drive is one of the most useful free tools available today. Start using it today to keep your files safe and accessible from anywhere. In our next video, we will learn about how to use Zoom and Google Meet for online classes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.